Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the speaker not working on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels. So unlock the phone first. Now here, let's go to the settings, and now go over to the sounds and vibration. So here, check for the volume, check if the volume is good. So it has to be at least a half so you guys can hear it from your speakers. After that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So here is the speaker grill, as you guys can see, and if there's something stuck in it, then that might cause it to not work properly. So we want to clean it with a soft brush or compressed air, and then what you guys want to do is check if the Bluetooth is not rerouted to any other device. So click on the settings. Now if you guys want to check the Bluetooth, go to the Bluetooth section right here and make sure that it's either disabled or that no device is connected to it. As you guys can see, now it's trying to connect to some peer device, and if it will connect, then that means the audio will be routed to those headphones, and I do not have them with me. So we have to disable the Bluetooth in order to check our speaker. And after that, what we want to do is update our software. So it's very important to update our software regularly. Whenever an update comes out, the same day you guys make an update, because the software update can fix a lot of glitches, including speaker not working, because it might be the software glitch and not the hardware one. So click on the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see system and update. And here click on software update. Now make sure that you're running the latest version of your Oxygen OS. If you do, then that's great, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And as a last resort, you guys can factory reset your device. So click on backup and reset in the system and update, and here make sure that you have the automatic restore enabled. First, you guys will need to add a Google account, but I'm pretty sure you already have one. And then simply click on Reset Phone. Now click on Erase All Data. Here, enter the password, and now click Clear. This will make our phone go into the factory settings, like when we first unboxed it, and it can help a lot. So that's basically it. If nothing worked, then I recommend you guys visiting the service center. And thank you guys for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.